नमस्कार मित्रों। एक बड़ी खबर है। लॉकडाउन के चलते ऑल दी ऑनलाइन टेक्निकल एजुकेशन और नॉन टेक्निकल एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन प्रोवाइडर्स आर देयर। बायजू उसमें लीडिंग है। मैंने ये अभी पता किया है, ये मुझे मालूम पड़ा है कि इट वाज द फर्स्ट यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप इन इंडिया फ्रॉम एजुटेक और एजुकेशनल कैटेगरी, एंड बिफोर कपल ऑफ डेज परहैप्स इट बिकम द decacorn type of educational online platform after whopping funding a couple of days back. And now, after realizing perhaps this is time to realize the importance of coding in early age, there is a famous white hat junior type of startup, again an edutech by the name White Hat Junior. So this is the platform founded by former Discovery Network India CEO Karan Bajaj in 2018, and this is online coding lessons. They don't teach usual syllabus of the curriculum of any board or NCRT. They are exclusively online platform for teaching codings to the young toddlers, tiny toddlers. I mean those who are in perhaps second, third, fourth, or something like that. So after realizing the importance of coding and to make their foot strong in that particular untouched area, perhaps Baiju is in talk to buy this edtech startup for $300 million. So I have been telling for last many days that this is right time to teach your child coding. There are various free of cost available applications on the Play Store which are not games, but they are coding type of games. In usual light mood, they have tried to teach basics of coding to the young students. I mean students who are in first, second, third class. So as I always say, there is no criteria that if you are in second class then you should learn about class 2 books only, you should not go for third. Similarly, there is no restriction, there is no criteria that if you are in class first or if you are less than 6-year-old then you cannot learn coding. You should not try your hands on those coding applications. So as early as possible, all the students who are going to school, not going to school, about to go in school after attaining age of 6 year, or college going students who are not having computer background, they should learn coding. They should learn Python, Jupyter, Panda, Anaconda, and whatnot. This is the future. But one more important futuristic comment because of my foresightedness is that after few years there will not be any need to learn coding because ready to use templates will be provided by the companies. For example, before 5 to 7 days, Honeycode is a service provided by Amazon in Amazon Web Service. So that is a process where you can use ready-made or ready-to-use, do-it-yourself type of DIY type of coding platforms where just you have to drag and drop. You have to choose the ready-to-use commonly used framework for commonly used coding applications. So in coming years, in coming months, I think there will be more and more players who will offer ready to use code for common problems, for common use, and they will also make some phenomenon, some provision even for new problem. Just define problem in English sentence and it will immediately make a template ready to use as a code. So probably in next few years there will be only requirement of coding experts. Everyone has not to learn coding, though it will be required to learn in school syllabus or college syllabus, but it will be very, what I can say, it will be glitch type of phenomenon. It will not be very glamorous like we talk today that learn coding, learn Python, but everybody will not be able to learn Python in coming years. There will be ready to use Python platforms also. Just use it, that's it. So it is a boom that coding is important to get job, but how long this coding will give you job? There will be few people only who will do code because there will not be lot many jobs in coding also. You may watch my another video I uploaded before few days about potential or future jobs in 2030. In that you can see it. So with this I finished. This was the video to let you know the importance of edutech or edtech type of startup or softwares or coding, or I mean online platforms which are giving which are having very good potential in coming days. So perhaps I think no one can give it is good offer. Byju has realized the importance of coding and the customer base and the user interface and the team of experts which is with Whitehead Junior, and therefore they are offering 300 million US dollar to this Whitehead Junior. So this is though still this online platforms of education has not that much scattered, or there is not lot many online provider, but it is still there will be two phases. First, there will be more and more mushrooming of online course provider. Then there will be phase of consolidation, where obviously Byju and other second, third rank platforms will go for agreements or business tie-up or outright purchasing or taking over. So this is called the market consolidation. That will also happen in next 2 to 3 years. So thank you very much for watching this video.